Explore one of Southeast Asia's richest wildlife areas on this full-day private tour to the Prek Toal Biosphere Reserve on Tonle Sap Lake, ideal for nature lovers and birdwatchers. This tour offers a rare opportunity to see Cambodia's endangered bird species in their natural wetland habitat, while experiencing life on the water in the floating villages. Embark on a traditional wooden boat and begin your journey across the vast Tonle Sap Lake, Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake. Enjoy a scenic boat ride across the lake to Prek Toal Floating Village, located at the northwestern tip of Tonle Sap. Prek Toal is part of the Tonle Sap UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, covering over 31,000 hectares of seasonally flooded forest and wetland. The area is home to the most important bird sanctuary in Southeast Asia, making it a premier destination for birdwatchers and nature lovers. Visit to Prek Toal Bird Sanctuary, board a smaller boat, and navigate through the mangrove-lined channels and floating forests to reach the bird sanctuary's core area. Prek Toal is renowned as the single most important breeding ground in Southeast Asia for many globally threatened large water birds. Bird species you may encounter include greater and lesser adjutants, painted and milky storks, black-headed ibis, spot-billed pelican, grey-headed fish eagle, and many more migratory and resident species. This is a paradise for bird photographers, ornithologists, and ecotourism enthusiasts. Contact us for your trip to Cambodia.